Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you not throw your money out the window. Today, we're diving into the wild world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we have the sleek and speedy Sony Alpha a6400, and on my right, the compact and cuddly Canon EOS R100. Let's find out which one will make your photography dreams come true, and which one might just make you cry into your latte. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Sony Alpha a6400 is strutting in at a hefty $1,007, which some reviewers found a bit steep but appreciated the advanced features it offers. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 is a little more wallet-friendly at $829. Many users praised its affordability, especially for beginners looking to dive into photography without breaking the bank. So, if you're trying to save money for that trip to Bali, the R100 might be your ticket to paradise, or at least a decent dinner. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. The a6400 boasts a 24.2 megapixels sensor, which means your photos will be incredibly sharp. Reviewers have highlighted its ability to capture stunning images, especially in different lighting conditions. The R100, with its 24.1 megapixel sensor, also delivers excellent image quality, and users have noted its great performance for family photos. It's still sharp, just slightly less than the a6400, but perfect for those capturing moments at home. Next up, autofocus. The a6400 has a whopping 425 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points. Reviewers rave about its fast and accurate autofocus, making it a favorite for capturing fleeting moments. Meanwhile, the R100 has 143 zones of dual-pixel CMOS. While some users felt it could be a bit slower, others appreciated its reliability for everyday photography, especially for beginners learning the ropes. Now, let's talk speed. The a6400 can shoot up to 11 frames per second. Reviewers have praised this feature for its capability to catch fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for action shots. On the other hand, the R100 manages a respectable 6.5 shots per second. While not as fast, users still found it adequate for capturing family moments or casual events, though it may miss some of the more dynamic action. Now, if you're into making movies, the a6400 has multiple movie functions that allow you to create time-lapse videos and slow-motion clips without post-processing. Reviewers have enjoyed exploring these features, enhancing their creative projects. The R100, while it doesn't have as many fancy features, still offers good video quality for casual users. Many have appreciated its ease of use for filming family moments, though it may not impress those seeking advanced video capabilities. Overall, the Sony Alpha a6400 is praised for its advanced features and image quality, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts. Reviewers appreciated its performance, but noted the higher price. In contrast, the Canon EOS R100 is recommended for beginners and casual photographers, with many loving its affordability and ease of use, though some faced autofocus issues. So which camera is the best? Well, if you want speed, advanced features, and don't mind spending a bit more cash, the Sony Alpha a6400 is your best bet. But if you're looking for something compact, lightweight, and easier on the wallet, the Canon EOS R100 is a solid choice. Remember, both cameras are great in their own right. It all depends on your needs and how many avocado toasts you're willing to sacrifice. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product comparisons that make shopping less painful. Until next time, happy snapping, and may your photos always be in focus. Product links are in the description.